How to fix eBay cannot leave feedback. To fix an eBay feedback problem, first of all, ensure you are submitting within the allowed time frame. And also check your account type restrictions or switch to a desktop web browser to bypass mobile application glitches. So, first of all, check the time limits. You must submit your feedback before the transaction window expires. Buyers have up to 60 days from the delivery or estimated delivery date to rate a seller. And sellers have a maximum window of 90 days from the transaction date to leave review for a buyer itself. And also verify the review criteria, handle the transaction holds, and there might be some technical or system fixes. For these issues, you simply have to use the desktop mode by simply launching your mobile device's browser. Tap on this three-dotted menu icon on the top right corner, scroll down and head to the official site of the website of eBay. And also make sure to enable the desktop site. This should resolve your issue. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.